Stop! You know that eating popcorn out of the microwave is actually bad for you.
Yeah, the toxic chemical used to create the butter flavor in popcorn can lead to increased risk of rare lung conditions and even lung cancer.
The chemicals such as PFO acid that line the side of the bag can become very dangerous when they're heated in the microwave.
Not only is microwave popcorn bad for your health, but so is anything else cooked in a microwave. Cooking in the microwave can destroy the nutrients found in food.
Did you know that the same radio waves that are used when cooking food in a microwave are also used to cure rubber and resin?
Chemicals that line the popcorn bag have shown increased risk of certain cancers and even fertility issues. Instead of exposing your body to these harmful diseases and radio waves that are used to cook food in a microwave, try using a popcorn machine or cooking it on the stove.